Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnific Espresso machine. Now we do not have the panels of the machine, but I wanted to show you what we did. Customer actually replaced the generator of the machine. We made sure that it was secure and it was not leaking anywhere. We also had to replace the motherboard, the one that you see right here, as the machine was having general alarm error and it was not doing anything. So as you can see now, the machine is up to temperature and it's ready to brew. So let's start with one shot of espresso, then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Coffee grinding. Sorry, the leaving in focus. But you can see the coffee, the grounds coming from the grinder to here through the funnel, through the pre-ground funnel. And now as you can see, machine in prefusion. Nice little stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color. Perfect quantity and good cream on the top. Hot water, as you can see, working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good temperature as well. Need to heat up right now. Nice gentle stream. Almost burning my finger there. Working good. And now we're gonna test the steam. Now the thermal block is gonna start to heat up. This one that you see right here. That is the thermal block. It's gonna start to heat up. The water pump will start pulsating, sending the water through the thermal block, through the other one, and through the steam one. Once the thermal block reaches a nice steady temperature, it will produce a nice steady stream, as you can see right now on the machine. Excellent pressure, excellent steam, really good temperature. I'm burning my hand right now. Perfect. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.